Frank George. I had a great experience with LeafFilter. I have to be honest, I hate ladders. When I saw the commercials over and over again, I talked to the wife, she said, do it. Ladders are really dangerous, and I have a little bit of a balance issue. So I used to go up maybe once a quarter or after a storm, get on the ladder, shake, wobble, clean the gutters. And when I saw those commercials, they haunted me in my sleep. I decided to call. I called LeafFilter, and I believe within 2 or 3 days, a fellow by the name of Marty came out. He was polite, professional. He took his time, he answered all my questions, and he gave me a nice demonstration, showed me how the product goes in, and told me about the warranty and everything else. He gave me a fair price, and then I opted for the interest-free deal that he had. I believe it was with Wells Fargo, and I thought that was a wise decision to go with interest-free. So we signed, and the installer came maybe 2-3 days later. I think everything was wrapped up within 1 week. The installer was really good. He was efficient, showed up on time. I think he got lost. He called me, I gave him directions, so he communicated really well, showed up on time, did the installation. It was a clean install. A lot of times after a contractor comes, you got to go out there and clean up after him. I didn't have to. And we had quite a few jokes together. It was really funny, but more importantly, he did a really, really stellar job. I liked the warranty side of it, and I thought the LeafFilter product, installation, company, professionalism was a complete home run. I would recommend them to anybody, and I was able to sell my ladder on eBay.